வந்தோரை வரவேற்பதில் இன்பம் காண்போர் தமிழர். விழாவில் இணைந்திருக்கும் அனைவரையும் வரவேற்க திருமிகு சாய் சங்கர் சண்முகவேல் அவர்களை அன்புடன் மேடைக்கு அழைக்கிறோம்.
The hospitality of Tamilians shine as their finest quality, finding joy in welcoming guests. Let's extend invitations to all gathered at this event. We warmly welcome Mr. Sai Shankar to join us on stage to welcome all.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். ஓங்கலிடை வந்து உயர்ந்தோர் தொடவிளங்கி ஏங்குழி நீர் ஞானத்து இருளகற்றும் ஆங்கவற்றுள் மின்னேர் தனையாணி வெங்குதிர் ஒன்று ஏனையது தண்ணீர் இல்லாத தமிழ். The shining lamps both by the exalted are two. One is the sun which dispels the darkness of this ocean-surrounded world. The other is Mother Tamil, which has no equivalence. First Secretary and Deputy Head of Mission of Indian Embassy, Mr. Murugaraj and Mrs. Murugaraj and family. Deputy Mayor of Letterkenny Municipal District Council, Councillor Parik Megavi. Ex-Mayor of Letterkenny Municipal District and our good friend Donald Kelly. Coordinator of Donegal Intercultural Platform and a great supporter of our Tamil community, Mr. Paul Kernan. Jessica Sri from Donegal Hospice. Mary T. Sweeney, onto representative, Letterkenny representative, members of the press. A warm welcome to all of you to the Donegal Tamil Festival 2024. Donegal Tamilar Villa 2024. Donegal வாழ் தமிழ் மக்கள் அனைவரையும் Donegal தமிழர் விழா 2024க்கு இச்சமுதாயத்தின் மூத்த உறுப்பினர்களில் ஒருவனாக இருகரம் கூப்பி வரவேற்பதில் பெரும் மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறேன். I also welcome my brethren from the Donegal Tamil community as one of the senior members of this community. My memory takes me back to almost 20 years back in the year 2005 when a few Tamil families had our first ever Chithirai Puthandu gathering at Bankrana. Over the past many years, a lot of Tamils have come and gone. But the Tamil community in Donegal has been always growing. I'm very happy to see a full house of Tamils here today. As we grew as a community, we have been integrating well with the local Irish community, but also have kept our identity. The first Ireland Tamil Sangam was started from Donegal back in the year 2009. The first Tamil poetry book in Ireland was written in Donegal. The first Tamil short film was made in Donegal. Tamil was taught in a local primary school last year for 8 weeks as part of the primary languages sampler program. Few of us from the Donegal Tamil community also played a role in the recent Tamil to Gaelic translation of the classic Tamil language text Thirukkural. Very recently, a 5-year-old young member of our Tamil community has done a world record. Today's event is a testament to how we celebrate the glory of our Tamil language, culture and tradition, and at the same time be very much part of the local community as well. There's a great lineup of programs today to promote various Tamil art forms. I hope you all will enjoy today's event as much as I do. The author of the verse I quoted at the start never revealed his identity, as he wanted Mother Tamil to be praised more than his poetic skills. Similarly, as we celebrate the glory of Mother Tamil today, let's be reminded that we are no greater than Mother Tamil. I once again welcome all of you to this event. Nandri. Vanakkam.